BJV, a school education at home. Welcome you all in this new session of BJV Portal 2020. I am here to introduce you all with the overall academic syllabus of English literature and grammar of class 6th. So let's start a brief introduction of whole syllabus. Welcome to a school education at home, class 6th, subject English. Moving towards the next slide, here as you all can see, there are two prescribed books of literature. One is the main course book and the second one is the literature reader. Moving towards the next slide, here we can see the grammar book named Grammar with a Smile for basic and interactive grammar learning. Aims and objectives: to build proficiency in reading and speaking skills, enhancement of listening and writing skill, use appropriate English to communicate, to build competence in the different aspects of English. Tips for learning better: get preview, mark vocabulary, apply imagination, correlate with self, summarize, verbalize to other. Moving towards the next slide, here we have upcoming syllabus of English class 6th literature. However, we all know that literature has been divided into two parts. One is prose and one is poetry. The prose part consists of all the chapters and the poetry part consists of all the poem. So let's see the prose part. It consists of the lessons: how Daddy played ping pong, how I taught my grandmother to read, the story of Umber Beats, the cherry tree, the giant rock, Attila, Mary Kom, never say die, return to air, the human painters in Mithila, quality, Lob's girl, the Canterville ghost. Moving towards the poetry side, we have the story of Fidgety Philip, on the grasshopper and the cricket, the Ant Explorer, Olympic Granny, Indian Weavers, Colonial Factory, Butterworth Toast. Moving towards the next slide, here we have the upcoming syllabus of English grammar, which consists of the sentence, subject and the predicate, nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, preposition, conjunction, active passive voice, direct indirect speech, articles, verbs, tenses, punctuation marks, comprehension, composition and vocabulary. Moving towards the next slide, here we will discuss about the CBSE curriculum. According to CBSE curriculum, we conduct periodic tests and term exams in our schools, which are as follows. First, periodic test consists of 20 marks. Each periodic test is equals to 20 marks. Second, term exams consist of 80 marks, which are divided as follows. Marks distribution: reading 20 marks, literature 30 marks, grammar and writing skill 30 marks. So this is the overall academic syllabus of class 6th English. Thank you.